What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue. Sinash, the Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. What's going on, people? I hope everybody's having a great day. I'm all right now, I'm over here just doing what I gotta do. And what I gotta do right now is send you this message that has been divinely sent from God through my mouth to your ears. And that message is to simply know that on your way to greatness, on your path to success, don't expect people to be there for you. Don't expect your friends, family members, co-workers. Do not expect them to be there to show you the support that you thought they would. Because let me tell you something, chosen ones. Let me tell you something, empaths. On your path to your success, there's gonna be a lot of ups and downs. There will be a lot of trials and tribulations. You get what I'm saying? And you will see who is truly meant to be in your circle. Your circle will shrink. If you have a small circle now, believe it or not, that circle will become infinitesimally small. Infinitesimally small. I think that's the word. It's going to become very small, chosen one. Due to the simple fact that a lot of these people do not want to see you win. A lot of these people do not want to see you garner the success that you know you deserve inside of your heart. You wake up with this vision in your mind. You wake up with this vision in your heart with the burning passion to accomplish it. But these people will never, I repeat, never know what that feeling is like. You get what I'm saying? So when they see that you're on your path to becoming your better version, becoming your higher self, these people, they will shun you, reject you, make fun of you. They'll basically just throw you to the corner, to the side, the curb. That's where you will be in their lives. You get what I'm saying? A lot of these people, they have no vision for themselves. And in the Bible, they say it, where there is no vision, people will perish. And believe it when I tell you, people perish without a vision. And those people who do not have a vision, you need to get them away from you. I promise you. In order for your dreams to come to true fruition, you have to get the non-believers away from you and love them from a distance. You get what I'm saying? You love them from a distance so you could garner all the energy that you need in order to accomplish the things you need to accomplish in your life. Because like I said, if you have the wrong person, 1 degree of separation could throw you off of your journey. 1 degree of separation could throw you off of your dreams. 1 degree of separation will have you separated. You know what I'm saying? It'll have you separated from what you really want to do in your life. And it's sad. It's really, really, really sad. Knowing that these people can never, I repeat, never show you the true support that you really need. A lot of you have the most biggest dream inside of you to accomplish, but yet these people, they will never ever see the grandiosity of what you really have inside, of what you're going to accomplish. They can't see it. And if they can't see it, you got to get them away from you. Get believers around you. That's it. It only takes a small team to accomplish your goals. It takes a really small team to accomplish your goals, And if you have somebody that's on your team that's a Judas, or they're that guy from the Matrix who wanted to be plugged back in the Matrix, so he sabotaged everything. What was it? I forget his name. Cypher, you get what I'm saying? If you have these people around you, you could best believe your dreams will not be accomplished. Your dreams will not come to fruition. Your dreams will not happen. I'm telling you, chosen ones. If you feel like it's pulling teeth, like damn near pulling teeth in order to get these people to see the vision that you have, to support the vision that you have, It's not even worth it, chosen one. It's not even worth it, empath. I'm telling you right now from experience, because I've been trying to build this. Not trying, because trying is a form of not doing. That's a video for another time. But I've been, creating this channel, and I remember at the beginning of my journey, I thought people would be on board supporting me. Like my day ones, my family. I thought they would have been there, 100% support, like, because they see the growth and they see the change that I made. Now they see I'm trying to inspire tens and tens of everybody, all my subscribers. Hit the subscribe button too if you haven't subscribed. Hit the like button too if you like the character, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. It helps the algorithm and it helps us get that message out to other people. And it helps us build this channel. We are coming up the tens and tens and tens of subscribers, the hundreds and hundreds, soon to be thousands and thousands, and then the millions and millions. We're gonna get there soon. But the point that I was making is, do not be deterred if you see that the people that you thought would be there to support you is not there to support you. Do not be scared. Do not let the fear take over because you feel like you're going crazy. You feel like you're being ostracized in your own community. You get what I'm saying? You feel like you're being ostracized because the people that you thought would be there are not there. People, chosen ones, use their absence as the fuel you throw on the fire to your desires. You get what I'm saying? Because these people are going to be sitting back when you do reach that success, when you do reach the pinnacle of your success. Oh, they're going to be looking up at you because they're going to have to look up. You keep rising higher every day to your higher self. You're rising higher and higher. And where these people stay? They stay stagnant in their ways. They remain stagnant. So all you could do is keep growing. Keep motivating yourself. You don't need nobody to motivate you. Maybe Sinashti. But you don't need nobody to motivate you. The only person that should motivate you is the man or woman in the mirror. You get what I'm saying? Even if you gotta play Michael Jackson, Man in the Mirror, 500 times while staring in the mirror until you feel, even if you gotta fake it all the way till you make it. That's what I did. Honestly, that was what I did. I faked it till I finally made it. You get what I'm saying? And I didn't even fully make it yet, but I feel the peak. I could feel the peak of the success coming. You get what I'm saying? I could feel the peak. Chosen ones, it's a tough journey out there. It's rough for people like us, or people who have a mentality like us, or people who have a heart, emotions like us, because we're in an emotionless world. You get what I'm saying? A lot of us were trying to build something to garner love in a loveless world. So just be aware of yourself and be aware of who you have around you, because a lot of people, especially when you're on your way to success, they'll use you. They'll use, abuse, and then reuse you. You get what I'm saying, chosen ones? You've been through it. If you're watching to the point of this video, I know you know what I'm talking about. I know you know what I'm talking about. Well, listen, I've been going on 10 minutes ranting. I hope somebody could, enjoy the message and just, get something out of it. Like I said, hit the like button if you like the character, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself, Sinashti. Subscribe to the channel. We're building a small channel. We got the tens and tens of subscribers in the building, So we're trying to just build it to the hundreds and the thousands and soon to be millions and millions. Alright, well, I've been ranting for 10 minutes. I'm about to get back to work. That's why I'm looking so flustered, because I'm at work over here doing a 9 to 5. But here comes the outro. I hope somebody's listening. It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue. Sinashti, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. Like I said, hit the like button, please. One love.